And we're returning now to the Mathura story. Who's to blame for Mathura burning? MP from Mathura, Hema Malini, who's caught herself in a bit of a controversy, has put out her first reaction on camera. Let's go straight to that.
I went for a shooting. I was shooting. I am unaware of anything. So I am shooting. So whatever I saw, whatever I just tweeted like that. So
सारी चीजें कैसे ट्वीट करें? Ma'am, this happened at 5 o'clock yesterday. You didn't know till this morning, ma'am. 5 in the evening, ma'am. But you didn't know till this morning, ma'am.
Normally, lot of things keeps happening, and then it was not that big. So my people in Mathura told me there is no need for you to come. We are handling everything.
So, ma'am, have you spoken to Akhilesh Yadav, ma'am?
Yeah. Now it is Akhilesh Yadav's government has to take care of the law and order properly, which somehow it is not happening.
जाते ही पहला कदम क्या उठाएंगी, मैम? जाते ही पहला कदम क्या उठाएंगी?
पहले कदम तो काफी हमारे लोग उधर हैं, सब मैं क्या उठा सकते हैं? It is the सरकार has to take a stand on this matter.
चलिए मैम, thank you, ma'am, thank you.
That was Hema Malini in her first very brief clarification. We don't know if that's sufficient at all. She says that a lot of things keep happening and I didn't know what was going on in Mathura. I spoke to my people and they said everything is under control and you don't need to come to Mathura. Also taking a pot shot at Akhilesh Yadav. But is that really sufficient? Member of Parliament from Mathura, hours after the carnage in Mathura, she tweets pictures of herself shooting for a film on Mud Island off the coast of Mumbai. It's a question of insensitivity. It's a question of propriety as far as Hema Malini is concerned. Let's listen to her once again.
मैम बात कर रही है यार। मैम दो ही लोग हैं मैम, सिर्फ दो ही लोग हैं। मैम ये जो पूरा मुद्दा हुआ है मैम, क्या कहना चाहेंगे? आप मथुरा जा रही हैं?
मथुरा में जा रही हूँ।
Ma'am, even after you knew what has happened in Mathura, why were you still shooting in Mud Island, ma'am?
No, I did not know at that time at all.
Ma'am, but you are the MP of the constituency.
No. All this thing happened in the afternoon or by evening it happened. My shooting is from morning 8 o'clock onwards. I was ready and I had gone. So you don't blame me for that.
Ma'am, but you are the MP of the constituency.
One more minute. I am an artist. So I got given appointment for my shooting for 6 days, which I had to do it. But because I had to go to Mathura before 2 days, when Ravi Shankar Prasad ji had come and then to announce the 2 years of our BJP completion with the Sarkar, so I attended that and I just came day before yesterday. And then whatever the date is given, I am given shooting for that.
अच्छा मैम, कितना दुखदाई है ये सुनकर मैम, इतने सारे पुलिसकर्मी जो है उनके साथ ऐसा हो गया है आपकी कॉन्स्टिट्यूएंसी।
देखिए 2 साल पहले से ये सब कुछ हो रहा है ऐसा बता रहे हैं, लेकिन मेरे ख्याल में सिर्फ 2 महीना पहले पता चला कि यहाँ इस किस्म के लोग हैं एंड दे हैव encroached that place near DM, that it is a cantonment area. And then I was asking DM also कि ये ऐसे कैसे हो सकता है, and then how you people can't control them. Then I come, and also our BJP, many of the netas have been constantly telling them, I believe that some kind of people are here, just check up on that. See, but when I go, they take me to some villages from Nala ठीक कर दो, road ठीक कर दो, बिजली लगा दो. These are the
पुलिसकर्मियों की जो डेथ हुई है, जो इतने सारे लोग मारे गए, क्या कहना चाहेंगे?
ये अवॉइड हो सकता था, लेकिन एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन हैज बीन आस्किंग फॉर एक्स्ट्रा पावर टू कंट्रोल this kind of a people, but somehow UP government has.
Ratnam, who's been trying to contact Hema Malini, reporters have finally caught up with her as she landed is headed to the national capital. As a matter of fact, she's not very happy with all this attention that's being paid to her obvious insensitivity, Shilpa. Tweeting about something like this in a day and age when she should have shown some sensitivity to her parliamentary constituency. Hema Malini is trying to brazen it out a bit. Okay, we've lost that line with Shilpa. We'll try and re-establish that. But I want to play once again. Okay, we've got Shilpa on the line. Shilpa, Hema Malini trying to brazen it out.
शुरू हो गया?
Well, absolutely, Shiv. And the incident happened last evening at 5 p.m. and this morning she was in fact shooting at Mud Island, and she said that she thought it wasn't that big a matter when we asked her why she didn't know about it. It is a constituency after all. To which some answers that she gave us was that she didn't know it was this big, and she also said that she's primarily an artist and she was shooting. So these are the two answers that she gave us when we asked her about why she was shooting and why she hadn't headed to Mathura immediately.
Absolutely. And, you know, the thing is, she's in a bit of a sticky situation right now, Shilpa, because the BJP is obviously upset with her. This entire tweet controversy has, you know, just shown that, you know, a senior and very prominent member of parliament of the BJP is seen to be insensitive. This comes at a time when UP is headed towards elections. So obviously, you know, it's really understandable that the BJP is upset with her.
Well, absolutely, Shiv. Behavior of this sort is this ignorant at best and callous at worst. So definitely the party has come down heavily upon her, which is why she's deleted those tweets. But when asked about it, she denied, you know, any such proceeding, and she said it was nothing of that sort. When asked whether that's why she deleted her tweets, but now of course she's headed to Mathura. Earlier today, Sambit Patra had also said that she will be heading to Mathura. And when we asked her about whether she had a word with Akhilesh Yadav, she said, you know, Akhilesh Yadav should take care of the law and order situation there, and once she goes there, she will be talking to him, is what she told us.
Absolutely. Shilpa, thanks very much for getting us the very latest on.